You avail the same. Arguments remain and stand largely unsubstantiated and uncorroborated. Hence, it cannot invalidate the minority coalition party's nomination solely on speculation. In conclusion, having established that the petitioner has not proven the alleged constitutional and statutory violations, the main orders being sought to declare that the panel list offends Articles 10 and 54 of the Constitution and certiorari to quash the list are not merited on the available evidence, and consequently this petition is found to lack merit and is therefore dismissed.